Make this Thai chicken larb salad recipe with me. It's larb, not larb. If you love Thai food, this is it. You're gonna get sweet glutinous rice and you wanna toast it and pound it until it's a sand-like texture. Chop your herbs, mint, cilantro, chives or scallions, shallots. Then make your dressing with fresh lime juice, fish sauce, brown sugar, Thai red chili peppers. Then saute your garlic and ground chicken. Add the ground chicken to a bowl and wilt the shallots. Then you want to add the herbs. This should be room temperature by now. You want to drizzle in your dressing and fluff in the toasted pounded rice powder. Then you're going to garnish, serve with big lettuce leaves for cupping the larb, or you can use greens or sticky rice. I'd love you to comment if you tried this, and please like, follow, and subscribe for more easy Asian recipes.